I'm Jim Nemley, CEO of the Better Business Builders. In this world, there are three types of people. There's that person who goes out and makes things happen. Then there's the person who waits for things to happen. Then the third kind of person is the one that just doesn't know what happened. Well, if you're a business owner, the only person you can afford to be is that one that goes out to make things happen. At the Better Business Builders, we can work with you from startup to finish up. In other words, we can take you from the womb to the tomb. Our excellent training programs will provide training for you to develop business planning. We have a 30-hour course where we take you through every stage of what it takes to build a proper business and how to maintain that business. If you need financing, we're certified technical assistance providers for the SBA's Community Express Loan Program. We can provide access to capital from anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 with no collateral, no business plan, no financial statements, and no credit scoring. We work with the SBA, who provides a guarantee of 85% to a bank out of California called Innovative Bank. Innovative Bank SOHO, which stands for Small Office Home Office program, is contracted with us. We provide you with 1 year of free technical assistance upon receiving your loan. If you don't need financing, you just need to grow your business. Our coaching programs are based on being able to do that. We have close to 400 tools in every area, from marketing to sales, human resources, customer services, financial management, systemization. All of those programs and all of those tools are designed to help you, the business owner, grow your business. So, if you truly want to grow, if you truly want to be the one that makes things happen, give us a try. We're the Better Business Builders, and nobody builds them better.